There's an island called Loon Island. It's where the loon nest, and we can't go on the island. It's real calm. There's our site right up ahead where you see the white sign on the tree. It says 12. And got some rock formations here on the coast. This is a mountain lake, I guess. Called a mountain lake. Yeah, see how calm the water is. How flat it is. We got a few ripples from our canoe, but sparkling on the water. There's some water lilies up there. I think there's some, yeah. Some right in there. I don't know if I can zoom in. Oops. Right in there, some water lilies. And over there also. And that's the entrance of a marshy area behind our campsite. There's our campsite. We're getting a little closer. And you see the sign there, 12, with the canoe, the boat. Somebody's got their canoe up there. We've been out fishing. He just caught a fish, but we threw him back. They're too small. So, anyway. David here, Premier Crew Outdoors. Camping trip day 2. Josh and David's epic canoe camping adventure. Like and subscribe. More to come. His name is Benisa, and may the Lord bless you. Until next time.